Could the next deadly earthquake be predicted? In this video, we explore the 1976 Tangshan quake that devastated China, killing over 240,000 people. With the ground shaking violently, buildings crumbled and chaos ensued, leaving a lasting scar on the nation. Despite advancements in technology and science, reliably predicting such catastrophic events remains elusive. Join us as we delve into the current state of earthquake prediction and the relentless efforts of scientists to unlock the mysteries of these deadly tremors. Don't miss out on our thrilling journey through nature's fury. Don't forget to subscribe.